I was really getting tired of things just being shoved in a bag, and this tray keeps everything organized. It's becoming one of the most used things in my house. In addition to snacks, small games, and craft supplies, here you can see I set up an emergency kit for an event. I was able to bring sewing supplies, tape, post-it notes, screwdrivers, Q-tips, all sorts of hair things with bobby pins, Band-Aids, ibuprofen, Benadryl, batteries, and I can just take one of those little squares out, hand it to someone, they could bring it back, and I have everything I need. It's so easy to carry, and I can take it with me, and then it's so easy to stack things on top of it too. My first impressions, I was impressed with the materials. It's durable, no BPA, the food grade plastic on the inside, and the tray is designed with the built-in handle, the snap close lid, easy to carry to our kids' sporting events, school, friends' houses. The separate compartments are dishwasher friendly, each 2 inches tall, 2.5 wide, 4 long. They have a slight give to them, but feel quite durable. Love that I can take them out, hand them to someone, put them back in. So versatile, ready to go. 8 total compartments, under 3 inches tall, 9 by less than a foot, and the 4 by 2.5 are perfect for little hands, big hands alike. I wish I had these when my kids were little. They would have been so convenient for snacks, games, etc. And now that they're older, perfect for those events where we need to take all the gear, but we don't want a big mess. Portable solution, grab and go, so easy. This one has been a great game changer for us.